Before calibrate tool height, ensure the fixture is set to the G54 position. The job material must be securely fixed in place before starting calibration. Tool height calibration is mandatory whenever a new tool is loaded or replaced. Using the controller, carefully bring the T1 tooltip down until it just touches the top surface of your material. Use a piece of paper for a field test if necessary. On the operation screen, click the Coordinate button. Select the Tool Storage menu. Select T1 from the list. Click Set Tool Length. The offset for T1 is now recorded. Click the T2 button on the screen to activate Tool 2. Bring the T2 tooltip down to the top surface of the material, the same reference height used for T1. Select T2 from the list. Click Set Tool Length. T2 is now calibrated.